Welcome to Beautyistic, where we talk all things beauty with an expert's touch. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect mascara, one that gives you volume, length, and stays put all day, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into LA Color's Perfect Lash Mascara in Classic Black. This mascara promises bold, voluminous lashes with an easy, clump-free application. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. LA Color's Perfect Lash Mascara is all about giving you dramatic lashes with minimal effort. The formula is designed to be smooth and creamy, offering a clump-free application that's supposed to glide on easily. The rich pigments are intended to deliver an intense black color, creating lashes that appear fuller, thicker, and longer. Plus, it claims to be long-wearing, resisting smudging, flaking, and running throughout the day. And it's cruelty-free and vegan, so you can feel good about using it. Now let's talk about real-world testing. First off, the application was just as easy as promised. The creamy texture made it glide on without any tugging or clumping. The wand is a good size, not too big, not too small, allowing me to coat each lash evenly. I loved how quickly it separated my lashes and gave them a fuller, thicker look, and the color payoff was intense right from the first coat. It didn't feel too heavy either, which is a major plus for me. I was impressed by how easily I could build up the volume without it getting overly thick or cakey. During my day-long testing, I noticed that it did live up to its promise of staying put. No smudging or flaking, even through a busy day at work. I did a little touch-up towards the end of the day, but the mascara held up surprisingly well. I wasn't expecting it to last as long as it did, especially considering the price point, but I was pleasantly surprised. On to the pros and cons. On the positive side, the LA Color's Perfect Lash Mascara definitely delivers on its promise of volume and pigment. It's easy to apply, feels lightweight, and lasts for hours without smudging. The price is very affordable for what you get. The cons? Well, the formula is great for volume, but if you're looking for lengthening or more definition, you might want to layer it with another mascara for that extra length. It also doesn't provide a ton of curl, so if you like that lifted, curled lash look, you might need a lash curler before applying. When it comes to value for money, this mascara is a winner. For such an affordable price, it gives performance that competes with higher-end mascaras. I'd say it offers great value, especially if you're looking for bold, voluminous lashes on a budget. If you're comparing it to other mascaras in the same price range, it stacks up well against options like Maybelline's Great Lash or Wet n Wild's Lash Renegade, both of which are similarly priced but tend to lack the same staying power as this one. This mascara really holds its own in the budget-friendly category, offering both volume and long-wear benefits. As for build quality, the packaging feels sturdy, but it's nothing luxurious. The wand is durable, and the tube isn't bulky, making it easy to store and carry around. The longevity of the product itself is solid. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and the formula hasn't dried out or gotten clumpy, which is a common issue with some mascaras in this price range. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I didn't need to contact them directly, but LA Colors has a reputation for responsive service, so I would expect good support if needed. And for those wondering about product alternatives, if you're after something that offers similar volume and wear, but you're on a stricter budget, the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade is another great choice. It's priced similarly and offers decent volume, although it might not have the same staying power as the LA Colors mascara. To wrap up, I'm impressed by LA Colors Perfect Lash Mascara. It delivers on its promise of intense pigmentation, volume, and longevity, especially for the price. If you want bold, dramatic lashes without the clumping, this is a great option. If you're looking for more definition or a curled look though, you might need a second step in your routine. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.